how to create custom vibrations on your iPhone. That's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick video because it's super easy to do and actually quite funny. So all you basically want to do is simply go to your settings, like right here. Once you're there, scroll a little bit down and you can already see sounds and haptics. Once you click on there, you should see ringtone right here. And then at the top, you can see vibration. And it's currently set to default, and you have a lot of these different standard vibration settings. But you also have a custom right here at the bottom where it says create new vibration. If you click on there, it says tap to create a vibration pattern. So if you click and hold, for example, it will vibrate a lot. And if you sort of like click everywhere randomly and then hold it and then just do a random pattern, and you can play it. And currently, actually, because I'm recording this video, I don't feel any vibration, but you should feel the vibration. Is actually really funny. And you can, for example, assign custom vibrations for different contexts as well in the iMessage settings, which is pretty cool. And you can, for example, do like a certain vibration for someone, you know, you might not always want to pick up, and then you just, and once your like phone is in your pocket, you know, okay, this vibration, yeah, this is that person, and then you don't have to take the call. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I hope this quick video helped you out, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.